Welcome back, first timers. But if you're new here, I'm David, and this is Terry.
We're the first timers. We're trying things for the first time, and you can too.
And in today's episode, we're down in Baytown Wharf in Sandestin, where we're checking out the Christmas lights.
We've got a Christmas tree, we've got lights, even ice skating.
Our holiday series in Emerald Coast isn't over yet. We got so much more to offer.
Here at Baytown Wharf, they have a brand new tree this year, and you can watch the light show every day until the end of December at 6, 7, and 8 p.m. By the time this video comes out, you'll still have about 5 days to check it out. The holiday fun doesn't stop here in December. The ice skating goes all the way through February. For $13 plus a $3 skate rental, you can skate for 90 minutes. They also have packages that you can bundle for the zip line as well. You can just lounge on the grass and watch a movie. Tonight, they have The Grinch playing. If you need some refreshments while you're ice skating, there's a Sundries market right next door. They have all kinds of snacks and drinks. But if you're looking for a meal, they also have a ton of restaurants here in Baytown Wharf and a few that just opened that we're gonna go check out. Baytown Wharf has events all throughout the year. Upcoming, on January 6th, they're gonna turn this park behind me into a winter wonderland, completely covered in snow. If you're not much of a snow person, come back on January 26th and you could run a 5K for breast cancer awareness. They're also gonna have a New Year celebration coming up. It starts at 6 p.m., goes all the way to midnight. They've got fireworks, they've got DJs, they even have a drone spectacular. Check the website for details and times.
You might remember our first video of Baytown Wharf when we came here for the first time, which I'll link right here, but Landshark wasn't even open yet. It was still under construction. Now it's fully open and operational. It looks like a really cool spot to stop by and have a drink and have some food.
This is Rum Runners. They're known for their dueling piano show, and tonight it's going down.
We got some Metallica. We got your mom coming up.
There's a ton of food options here, and you can even have your meal delivered by a robot. Behind me is the Village Door. They have a great bar and a restaurant. They also have one of the biggest New Year's parties here in the area. Every night that they're open, they have free drinks from 8:30 to 9:30. You just gotta pay to cover. What goes better with Christmas lights than a hot, steamy piece of pizza? We're here at Roberto's Pizzeria. They sell pizza by the slice here. It's essentially a quarter of a pizza. So now I have a quarter of a cheese pizza all to myself. They have more than just pizza. They've got salads, appetizers, sandwiches. They also have a pretty big bar offering. And apparently Wiz Khalifa's gin.
I opened the box and I got a steaming pizza facial. It's hot-blooded. Let me show you what's doing. So they have a sign that says "World's Best Pizza by the Slice," right? Is that what it says? So they have a sign that says "World's Best Pizza by the Slice," and we love pizza, we love slices, and we love World's Best.
Okay, cool. It's really 2 slices.
Oh, it's a little soup.
Soupy.
Go.
That's a flip. That's hefty.
It's hot, it's wet, it's pizza.
Is it dripping good?
Oh, it's definitely drippy. It's a little windy right here, so bear with us.
All right, got your pizza soup.
We are in the zone.
All right, pizza cheers.
Ooh. It's got a good crust on it.
Okay.
A little floppy.
That's pretty okay.
The sauce is tangy but sweet at the same time. The cheese,
And hot.
the cheese is greasy, but in a good way.
Okay. I could see eating this after a little ice skating.
Oh yeah, I could definitely see this after having some drinks. That's pretty dang good. It is a quintessential cheese pizza. We didn't venture into the other toppings because we're sharing, but in terms of overall pizza quality, it's great crust, has a nice bite, it's chewy, it's crispy. I like the cheese and the sauce a lot.
Yeah, I like the crust. It's got good flavor. Very crusty, but it's very hot.
I think I would have liked to try the pepperoni. I feel like their pepperoni would be really good. And I do regret only getting one slice because it's unlocking a hunger that cannot be contained with one slice of pizza. All right, there might be something in that sign that says world's best. We've had a lot of pizza. I don't know if I'd say world's best, but it's definitely the best pizza I've had here at Baytown Wharf.
Maybe we should check out some ice cream.
Where are we at?
I don't know. La Creameria?
Good, how are you?
Got biscotti gelato and a waffle cone. And some caramel sea salt gelato, just to wash down the pizza.
Ice cream on a really cold, windy night is probably not the best option. However, nothing beats post-pizza walking than a little gelato. Baytown Wharf never ceases to amaze us, and it never disappoints. It is one of the coolest spots out here in the Destin, Sandestin area. There are things to do here for people of all ages. Things for little kids all the way up to
Grown adults.
there's free fun, there's paid fun, there's alcohol fun, food fun, and adventure fun. It's an action-packed location, and you still have time to come out here and enjoy these holiday festivities before they're over for the year.
And the ice skating, it goes all the way to February.
But if you like this video, check out this video right here where we checked out the small town of Defuniak Springs and saw what they have to offer for the holidays. Thanks again for following along in this episode, and join us next time when we try something else new for the first time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First timers.
High five.